Hello, to move data from or to USB drive on your Samsung Galaxy A06, we have to go into our My Files application, and first things first, we need to format our USB drive into the exFAT, I believe, file system, because as you can see, here is the notification that this storage is read only because it uses the NTFS format. So to modify anything in the USB storage, we need it to format into the exFAT format, but I won't do so. I will just show you how to move your files around from or to your USB drive. So we have the sample file. We have to press and hold it, and you can either copy it, or right here will be the icon which says move. So we will copy it, and we go to any location in the phone to move it, for example documents, and we simply press copy here. And as you can see, we have the file right here, but it has been copied. Now to move into the USB file, it's the same actually. As you can see, here is the move one. So you press the move option, you go into any location in your SD card, in your USB storage, and you simply press move here. But since this is the NTFS, I am unable to do it, but that's simply how you do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching.